How to clean my C drive. Most people miss these hidden junk folders, and that mistake slows down their PC. Watch the full video to learn 3 powerful cleanup tricks, including one secret folder path I put in the comments. Open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, or search for Run in the Start menu. Type Prefetch in the box and click OK. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A, then press Delete. This clears temporary system cache that Windows never cleans by itself. Keep watching. This next folder is huge. Navigate to the file path I have written for you in the comment section below. Delete everything inside that folder. Why? This folder stores old Windows Update files that can take up several gigabytes. If a file won't delete, just skip it. That means Windows is using it right now. Final power move. Don't skip this one. Open Windows settings by pressing Windows+I. Then go to System greater than Storage. Click on Temporary Files. Scroll down and select Previous Windows installations. This can be over 10 gigabytes alone, plus any other junk categories like Delivery Optimization Files. Click Remove Files to purge deep system leftovers. That's it. Your computer is now cleaner, faster, and ready to perform like new. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and check the next video where I show you how to double your startup speed in 5 minutes.